Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to clear videos you have watched on Facebook. So guys, go to your Facebook, then go to the three dot icon, go to settings and privacy, swipe down and go to activity log. Now here scroll left and go to video watched. And guys, here you will find the video that you have watched, and if you want to clear those videos, then you have to tap on clear video watch history, and then you have to tap on clear, and then your all video will be cleared. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.